Today we are going to make a very popular delicious Punjabi street food dish, Amritsari Nutri, healthy. So in a pan take 1 cup of water and add 100 grams of soya chunks into it, a teaspoon of salt and a tea bag. Cover it up and cook it for at least 10 to 15 minutes, making sure your soya chunks are totally cooked. So heat up a pan. I'll recommend a non-stick pan. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil or any oil of your choice. Make sure to spread the oil evenly. A non-stick pan will really help you in low oil cooking. Add 1 teaspoon jeera, a cumin, 1 big onion chopped, make sure to cook the onions until they are translucent. Then add your green chilies and a teaspoon of ginger and garlic chopped. Cook it for a while. Now add tomato puree, 100 grams. Homemade is always better. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda gives a nice color and a kick to your dish. Add 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon chili powder or more if you like, and a half chopped capsicum. Trust me, adding capsicum puts your dish levels apart. Now add your boiled soya chunks with the water in which it was boiled. And add extra 1 cup of water. Make sure to cook it for at least 15 minutes so our soya chunks can absorb all the masalas. Cook it until the soya chunks have absorbed all the masalas and it's little bit dry. And serve it with brown bread or any bread of your choice. See you in the next episode of Healthy Can Be Tasty on next Thursday. Bye.